tungkol sa bag, okay? So, lately lang nababaliw talaga tayo dun sa mga bag na ganito, no? Dahil nga, mura pa siya. Nakita ko to sa isang international shopping platform. This is 1,000. Actually, ang ganda niya. My God. Nakuha ko lang siya around 600 plus. Yung ulang 34, okay, tapos binigyan na, yung ulang purchase ko, 534, tapos binigyan na nila ako na libre sa parati ko siya piniflex. Okay, so nakabenta na ako dito, almost, marami na, 400 plus na yung nabenta ko. So, talagang pinadala nila ako ng sample because sa dami ng platform. Sa orange platform at saka orange basket, blue basket, green, eto, yellow basket dito sa so guys, eto na nga mag-usap tayo tungkol sa bag, yung bag na guys. Okay, since tayo ay fashion blogger, okay, I recommend for white collar na siya guys, okay, so tandaan nyo na naka all white, okay, so yan ang marirecommend ko. Okay, now, let's move forward to yellow and also with white. Pero, yellow is good with all black outfit. Pwede ang itong yellow na to. Kasi parating opposite tayo. If you observe Korean fashion, the accessories is, the color of the colorways, the opposite of your wardrobe. Okay, kung wala naka-dark accessory mo is light color. Para magmukha kang clean looking. Like a bag of, parang kang sako. Sabi, parang ka Christmas tree. So, dapat mag-opposite siya para ma-accentuate niya yung iyong mukha at yung iyong damit. Alright, yellow is good with brown. Okay, yellow, beige, any earth color, pwede siya. Okay, then, lagyan mo siya ng bling-bling. Technique siya, lagyan mo siya ng ng native na, palawit, or mga pabay, yung mga wooden theme, okay? O kaya white, and then green dress. Hindi ko naman pag green dress. Now, let's go to another one. Let's go to light violet or light with syempre purple, dark purple, fuchsia. Okay, fuchsia pink. Let's go to the mint green. Super favorite ko talaga ang green kasi lucky color ko ang green. Kasi, okay, now the light green is good with dark outfit. And then the emerald green, diba ang dami kong green? Yung emerald green, maganda siya pag, naka-beige or yung mga transparent guys, pag naka-shorts ka lang naman, okay lang, magbubol ka, diba, malapit na mag-grocery ka, o diba, be sure na secure lang, kasi syempre yung security mo rin, kita-kita yung laman ng bag mo. Let's move forward to yellow. Yellow is good for beige color or dark brown, para magmukhang malinis yung dull looking outfit mo, you wear brown. Now, if you have black outfit, black din, at saka all white. Pero very elegant siya sa white, all white outfit. Okay, ang black kasi and white is a universal din. Okay, now there will be, I think, 6 more bags that will be sent to me. Okay guys, this is a sponsor ha. Ito ay libre sa akin. That's why I need to flex. Okay, kailangan i-flex ko to para makabenta ako, diba? Kasi binigyan nila ako ng mga for demonstration. Alright? So yan guys ha, light green or gray. if you want a camera ready outfit or ready camera outfit, you can wear green with green. Parang opposite siya. Ang ganda niya sa camera. Pag ito namang ganito, tawag nila emerald green. Kasi makita mo siya, tapos silang. Alam mo silang transparent. Okay, now let's go. It's good with red. Ako nire-recommend ko siya sa red. Red outfit. Pag naka-all red ka, ang ganda ng pink. Pag lady ka lang ha, lady na light denim, you can wear pink. So yellow can work with beige outfit or brown outfit. Black and white is a universal color. Meron pa ako padating na red at saka maroon at saka green na outfit. Okay, so there you go. White ko eh. Pero may padating ako ng white na doctor's bag. So what do you do with white?